Hello, good morning, students. Today we have to discuss about a term formula unit of organic compounds. Ionic compounds, sorry, formula unit of ionic compounds. We know that ionic compounds are the compounds made by ionic bond. The compounds formed due to ionic bonding or the compounds formed between the ions by the ions are called ionic compounds. For example, sodium chloride, it is the combination of two ions, sodium ion and chloride ion. The electrostatic force of attraction between dissimilar charges plus or minus and minus binds these two ions together, forming a molecule of sodium chloride. So, formula unit may be defined as the simplest combination of ions that produces an electrically neutral unit is called ionic compound. Formula unit is called. Here two ions, sodium ion and chloride ion, combine together to form a unit, simplest unit, NaCl. So NaCl is the formula unit of ionic compound and sodium chloride. There are a number of examples. Here, copper sulfate, copper ion, sulfate ion, ammonium carbonate, NH4 whole 2 CO3, 2 ammonium ions and 1 carbonate ion. So it is clear from the examples that the simplest combination of ions which produces an electrically neutral unit is called formula unit. I think now you all are familiar with the term formula unit. The second term is formula mass. Formula mass or formula unit mass. As we know that in an atom, three subatomic particles are present: electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons have 0 mass, protons 1 unit, neutron 1 unit. So, the sum of the masses of proton and neutron gives us the atomic mass of the atom. Ions are formed due to transfer of electrons and electrons mass is considered as 0. So there is no change in the atomic mass when an ion is formed due to transfer of electrons. I mean to say here that there is no change in the mass of atom and ion. Now we can obtain the formula mass or formula unit mass by adding the masses of ions or the masses of constituent atoms. Formula unit mass can be obtained by adding the masses of the ions present in that formula unit or the masses of the constituent atoms present in that formula unit. For example, mass of formula unit of sodium chloride. Here we know that the atomic mass of sodium or sodium ion, sodium is 23 unit and chloride 35.5 unit. So formula unit mass of sodium chloride is 585.5 units. The other example, ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. Here, two ammonium ions and one sulfate ion are present in this formula unit. Now we calculate the masses. 2, the mass of nitrogen 14 unit, hydrogen 1 into 4, sulfur 32 and oxygen 4 into 16 unit. 2 into 18 unit plus 32 plus 48 unit, 36 unit plus 80 unit, that is 116 units. It means the formula unit mass of ammonium sulfate is 116 units. So I think now you can calculate the formula unit mass of ionic compounds easily. Here a formula unit represents one molecule of ionic compound. So the formula unit mass of ionic compound is numerically equal to molecular mass of the compound. Now it is clear that formula unit mass of an ionic compound is numerically equal to its molecular mass because formula unit of an ionic compound represents the one molecule of ionic compound. For example, sodium chloride is the formula unit of salt and it represents the molecular mass molecule of sodium chloride, one molecule of sodium chloride. So it is now easy to calculate molecular mass or formula unit mass of ionic compound. You can calculate now formula unit masses of given compounds. CuSO4, calcium carbonate, ammonium chloride, aluminium hydroxide, etc. Okay, thank you. In next video I will explain other related terms.